Hey guys, so I just created something. No, if you really want to see what we created, you got to keep on watching. But before we start going, boo, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, thumbs up the video, all that good, comment down below, because this video is a DIY, sis. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, so to make this top, these are all the items you honestly need. You could use a tape measure as well, but I've already measured everything. So you're going to need a pair of scissors, a Sharpie, and your rhinestone chain. I got this from Amazon. I'll actually link this down in the description box. And then you need a top. This top is from Shein. I had a few makeup stains on it, so I was like, I'll just use this one because I'm gonna cut that part off. So yeah, I was hoping to find a top that had more of like whatever, but all those other tops, I'm like, nope, I'm keeping those. So we are going to get started. I'm going to just switch this to face me. I hope you can see everything okay. And yeah, so we're gonna hop right into the tutorial, and I'm gonna start doing a voiceover. Okay, you guys, so now for the voiceover. Right now I'm measuring how much of this shirt I'm gonna cut out. I counted 8 pieces, just right in the center of the shirt, to give, you know, the illusion that it's all crisscrossed down. So after holding down just two little dots, I'm grabbing my Sharpie and I'm going to go ahead and just start cutting. Super simple. Just grab your scissors and just cut up. Now, we know I love rib shirts, but this rib shirt actually helps because it helps keep your line straight. I'm not the best line cutter, so this is pretty this is easier, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut and do the other side. I'm really taking my time to cut because, like I said, I'm not the straightest cutter in the world, so I cut really slow, and you're watching this part in like basically real time. So I took my time and I cut because I want this to look perfect. I want it to look finished. I don't want it to look like I just cut pieces out of the shirt, if that makes sense. Okay, so that's just the extra piece. You don't need that. You just get out of here, and then you're gonna grab the Sharpies again, and I'm just gonna start measuring. I started where my finger was. You can see like I'm kind of like holding that finger there, and then I'm going up about a half an inch, maybe a full inch actually, and just doing that on both sides, either side. Boom, 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 boom. And that is helping me keep it aligned, and it makes it really even. So I was able to get a really even lace. Alright, so now I'm just going to take the end of the scissors and I'm just going to like poke a hole into the fabric. If that doesn't work, I just honestly turn it around, stick my like nail in there, and then I just cut around, like cut over my nail so that it doesn't make too big of a hole. Yeah, so clearly, as you can see, that takes a while. So I sped you guys up so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just doing that over and over, poke a hole. I don't want it to go all the way through. One of them actually did that when I was doing it, and it made the hole too big for that one piece, and I was mad about that because I like to do it this way just because it's an easier, more small hole, and then I just stick my nail in it just to make sure that the rhinestone chain will go through it, and that's just about as big as the hole as I want. Basically as big as the dot that you did. You want it to be like that because you don't want to have that black on the shirt when you put it on. So basically that's the main point. Alright, so after we're doing all the holes, we have the rhinestone chain, and I'm just actually grabbing that, and I'm going to just start putting that through the holes. This was hard only for me because my nails are super long, so I couldn't get them through. Like I was like putting my nails through, but the hole was small. So honestly, it shouldn't be hard. It shouldn't even take you that long. But because if you have long nails like me, just be prepared to struggle with it because my nails were just in the way, honey. In the way, honey. Alright, so I just decided to grab a whole bunch so I could just move that wheel out of the way. And now I'm just gonna basically lace this like it's lacing some sneakers. You just lace it up and down, cross, whatever. You know how to, I hope you know how to lace something. As you can see, like I'm trying to stick it through, and then child, I sped it up because I'm like, nah, y'all can't see me struggle like that with these nails. But they were not trying to let me be great, y'all. So here I am at the end of that, and I'm just doing the last two. Struggling, as you can see, because blah. Oh my gosh, like this part was so hard. Like I was even trying to use the scissors to get it through. I mean, like that's why I had to cut out a lot of that because it was just a lot of struggle. But we made it through. We made it through, you guys. It's just doing that last one. We almost had it. We almost had it. We almost had it. Okay, so there we go. We finally got it, and I'm just kind of like pulling it apart so you can see how it looks. You can tighten it and close it however you want to, so that makes it nice and fun. Okay, you guys, so I just clearly finished adding in the rhinestones. So I left them really long for right now because I want to try it on and see how much of this extra that I need, because you can tie it, bow it, or whatever in the style. So we're about to go do my makeup, and we're gonna throw this bad boy on. I'm gonna get on camera and we're gonna see how this looks, and we'll talk about it and discuss it. Hey you guys, so I put on the top that I just made, that you just saw me make, and here is the extra. So I have a lot extra. I'm glad I did it because I don't know. I feel like if you're like me, because I'm making this for the girls who are heavier chested, I feel like having more of this chain look is better for you because you can tighten, and honestly it'll help hold your breast. I did do a quick tape, so I just used some tape, some boob tape that I got from Amazon, and I'll actually link this tape down below because it actually works pretty well. I just did one quick strip for the purpose of the video, but you can tape them up, or some girls just do not mind who are heavy chested. They don't care. They'll wear whatever size, whatever they want. So I want to have a good length so that it hangs down a little bit. So I'm going to cut about right here, and I'm just going to cut these and then of course save the other pieces. Okay, so there we go. It is officially cut, and voila, and you have a little bit of hanging. It didn't even tie like I wanted it to. It just kind of tied like that, but it's cute. I really love how this looks. I think I did a good job. I think it looks nice. I think that it's important to have, like I said, more of those smaller crisscrosses instead of the big ones, because you want to have some type of support, because this is a shirt that you honestly cannot wear with a bra if you want to have that piece in the middle. So this is how it looks from the side. So it looks pretty good, I think. And again, this top was from Shein. It was like $5. You can do whatever top you wanted. I actually like the top that I picked because I do not mind this kind of like, and it's starting here. I think it looks really cute on me. But yeah, so that sums up this DIY. We're going to be doing more DIYs like this because I want to do plus size friendly, no, I don't know why I did that. I want to do a lot of plus size friendly DIYs for the girls who are a little bit bigger and you literally cannot find certain styles in your size. So this is numero uno. So it's about style, not size. We're going to make it work for us, even if we have to make it ourselves. So I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into the tutorial. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a big fat thumbs up and comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. You already know. Hey guys, bye.